I closed it on you. Okay, never mind. Where'd Kaylin go? Kaylin. Whoa. Make a wild break for it, Kaylin! Kaylin, we can't leave the cul-de-sac, remember? Huh? We can't leave the cul-de-sac.
Why?
My dad told me we had to wait to go for a walk. That house right there, that's my friend's house. Damn, he's really dumb. Oh my gosh, there's the police! They're after us! Look.
It's not my puppy car.
Whoa. Dude, it's coming towards us! No. Oh my gosh!
They're not my crackers. They're marshmallows.
Marshmallows. Let's give them a tour of my house.
Alright. Come this way!
This is the door. Oh, it's pretty.
This is a chair.
It's an awesome flat screen.
Yes.
Oh, and my bunny hobbit. My boonie hobbit. Oopsie. Okay.
The cookies my mom made.
Yummy. Touch on.
More pictures.
Bathroom. Spare room. My dad's room. And then my room. By Gwen. See, I have my awesome toilet poster. And I have my, wait, that's Kaylin's head. And then I have my poster. That's an iris that you can't see because there's a glare on it. Let's show in the backyard.
Okay.
So we cut through the spare room. And we just do this thing. There's a wraparound deck and then my awesome hot tub.
Yeah, the hot tub that when I come over, we're like sitting in for hours on end.
Yeah, and then that thing, it used to be the awning, but then it broke because it snowed so much. So now my dad has to get a new one. Sexy.
Why did I just point in my head? I was like...
And then that's the part that goes around to the kitchen, the wraparound deck. This is my awesome backyard. What? Okay, let's go. Let's go film us bowling. Let's go film us bowling. Woo!